I'm definitely smoking after this. Fuck.
I'm vaping already.
I just took a shot because I can't smoke.
Game started.
I have my vape on. This whole entire 1v1 is like fuck. I'm here vaping, drinking my Moscow Mule. I'm fucked up right now.
I drank earlier this morning because I didn't want to be fucked up and playing 1v1s.
Fuck that, it's making me play a little bit better.
Well, yeah, now that I drank one, I just calm the nerves.
No, my nerves are all fucked up right now.
Deathmatch. You're clear to engage any and all hostiles in the AO. Taking the lead.
Fuck, and I shot that glass too. No, I can't do that fucking rifle knife. Fuck that. I heard you sliding on that one. I think I gotta move my field of view. Bro, you don't talk while you're in game, huh?
No, not at all. I'm focused, man.
You and this guy were just like prone at the same time, running at the same time. I was like, what the fuck is this?
It's like fucking playing against my shadow.
For real, you guys were just going at it. Yeah, me and Phoenix are fucking even. Me and you, not so much. And you're going pistols, so let me go pistols too. Fuck
No,
it.
no, go ahead.
I wonder what the spread is on me and you.
Nice shot.
That spread must be 15 to like 5. Oh my god, I got fucking hit markers.
Nice.
Yeah, I kept shooting. Fuck that. I wasn't gonna stop. Hit markers again. If you want me to take out that gray out of your monitor, I can just kill you.
Last bullet.
Oh. Well, you got no more bullets?
No, I ran out of bullets on that one. I had a feeling you were in there. I had a feeling you were fucking in there.
I just jumped in there too. I had just jumped in there. I want to do the same thing this guy was doing to you.
What's that?
Proning. Bro, I'm dead ass serious. This guy was like, proning, looking back and forth on you.
Oh, his cam? He was waiting for me?
Yeah, he was waiting for you at certain places. I was like, this fucker just waiting there prone. Not a bad strat, but I know you were prone too, certain places.
Nice shot.
Thank you, senor. You're not so bad yourself, bro. Fuck.
Yeesh.
What sucks is whoever wins from us has to play cookie.
Again?
Yeah.
Alright, where can I meet you?
Fuck. You serious? You want me to fucking win? I don't want to play cookie. I'd rather have you play cookie. Motherfucker raped me. That's what that match was. That wasn't even a battle.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, I just flung it downward.
Woo!
The enemy holds the lead. Clock's ticking.
Coming out of the bathroom, bro. Can't let me clean my hands. Oh. Alright. Nice shot. Holy shit. I saved the last second on that one. Let me play more quiet.
Even more quiet?
Bro, what do you mean? I'm fucking running around.
Bullshit.
I'm running and jumping everywhere. I'm trying to listen for you. I can't hear you for shit. Oh. I'm here trying to listen for you. Oh.
You're predictable.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
See, when you're playing, you're sticking and moving. That's what you do. You kill and you keep on the rotation. You gotta learn how to fuck around and
What? What, the same thing Cucky does, that he runs to the fucking spawns?
it's not so much running to the spawns, because I don't know what the spawns are, but let's say you're going clockwise. You're going clockwise, you get a kill, and you continue going clockwise. You need to switch it up, you know, like get a kill, you know, do your little thing, and then go backwards, you know, because you're going in a circular motion, and I can predict where you're gonna go.
I got you.
So switch it up.
At least I don't gotta play versus Cucky.
I hope I don't gotta play against it right now.
First 100? God damn. Damn.
It is.
Close, bro.
Cash sweating over there.
I was giving him tips.
Huh?
I was giving him tips. We were just talking.
Yeah, we were having a chat.
Yeah, we're having a conversation.
4 kills.
Yeah.
The last four kills was a conversation.
He earned the other ones.
Your feet not burning, Hades, standing on top of that goddamn stove.
He's like I was moving all over the map.
Is me and Cucky.
That was good.
He's like, oh, now I'm gonna take it slow. I was like, slower than before? He's like, what do you mean? I've been running around the whole entire map. A booshie.
I was running and jumping around. Fuck you.
Alright, I'm gonna move down.